Hi everyone, welcome to ATL Marathon 2022. I am Divit and my teammates are Ashrit and Pranav.
Hi everyone, we are from Class 7, Excel Public School, Mysore.
We developed a solution, an app named Klassic Pay. It is an app for senior citizens and digitally illiterate people to make UPI payments easier.
As a part of digital literacy, the finance sector has uplifted its services so that everyone can make digital payments. Amongst these services, UPI payments are used immensely by people both during the COVID time and now.
However, many senior citizens and people with poor education background and educated people who are ignorant about UPI apps are unable to use the UPI payment.
We also found in some research articles that senior citizens feel secure, safe, and satisfied if they pay using cash. To solve these problems, we have come up with a solution called Klassic Pay.
The app makes it easier to make online payments for senior citizens compared to other apps like Google Pay, Phone Pay, Bheem, and Paytm.
So, we have created simplified screens along with large fonts, a few payment options, voice to text options, language options, currently English and Kannada, and virtual currency notes.
This can be integrated in the existing UPI apps. When the app is opened for the first time, it asks the user whether they know how to use UPI apps. If the answer is yes, the normal
enter your
UPI
mobile
screen
number.
appears.
Please
If
tell
not,
your
the
name.
simplified screens that you have created will appear. The user
Please
must
enter your
register by
age.
entering his or her name, age, mobile number. All these details are stored in the Firebase.
We have put a
Please
text to
enter
voice
your
option
account
for all the
number.
instructions in the
Select
app.
bank.
The person then must add his or her bank account by entering bank
Please
details,
enter
which
your
include
account
bank account
number.
number and the name of the
Select
bank.
bank.
After this, the user will create a PIN number.
Then, the main screen appears with only two payment options, QR code or to a mobile number. When the QR code image is clicked, it will allow the user to scan QR code. Then a screen with virtual currency notes will appear for the user to select the virtual currency notes. This will give them the similar satisfaction as they get from paying through cash. The amount will automatically add up as they select the notes. When the payment button is clicked, it will ask the user to enter the PIN number. If entered correctly, payment will be successful. The payment details will be displayed under the payment history, which is the main screen. The same procedure can be followed as discussed before if the user selects the payment option Pay to a mobile number.
This way, our app allows senior citizens and digitally illiterate people to carry out UPI payments in an easy and satisfying manner. Therefore, by integrating a solution in the existing UPI apps, we'll make senior citizens and other groups of people digitally literate. Thank you.